What is up, Bomb Squad? Welcome to the Burndown YouTube channel. I'm out here at War Performance because I finished up all of the fan holders in this round, in this batch, and I want to share them and go over them with you because we made some slight modifications to it. We'll kind of explain why, but it's still the same deal, but we made it a little more convenient for some of you guys because we were noticing when you're putting them on cars, you're having to dig into some of them and cut them because on your typical LS setup or fuel injection, you can see where this guy comes out and it's right smack dab in the middle. So usually you have the elbow and the pipe and stuff that is there, and 9 times out of 10 your fan is right in front of that. So when people try to make that sweep, they were having to clearance the fan because thickness is one of the issues with a brushless fan. So let's go take a look at the old one and the new one, and we're going to shove the new one on the Malibu today. So let's go check it out. Say hi to the War Boys. Most importantly, Bobby, though, because she is the #1 employee. There she is. What's up, Bobby? Bobby's chilling because it's been warm. Oh, she needs some belly rubs. We got the War Boys. Jason, what's up? Joe?
I do.
And that brings me to this. So this is actually the fan off the Malibu, or the fan holder I should say, with my fan. So it is about 3 inches thick, holds the fan. You guys are probably familiar with this. Well, this is the new unit, and as you can see, we've cut it out to accommodate hoses, pipes, you know, things like that. And then also, if you clock it, you can kind of get around doing that because Jason was out, the one that was smart enough to notice that people were having to dig into these. So we made that design change. So this is the new batch, and you can see we took a decent amount out of it, but I left enough material there that I felt comfortable structure wise. So old versus new. Here she is installed. You can see how much cleaner it looks. It's just nice and simple, and I think it looks awesome. So, get the rest of that buttoned up, and then we're gonna weigh the Malibu today, so we'd be disappointed because I'm sure she put on some weight. And then the other thing I'd like to look at is the droop on the rear suspension, and I think that's hopefully the last big project before we can just start shaking this thing down and really enjoying it. So let me finish that up, and then we will move on to weighing it and being sad. All right, we're set up for disappointment. Say hi to Jason, everybody.
I do.
How you been?
Good, good.
We saw you earlier, but you're over there playing mad scientist along with Joe. So, all right. Do you want to do the honors of letting it down so I can film?
Certainly.
Or do you want to stand over here and lie to me? Look, it weighs 1 pound already, dude.
-1.
Negative. Yeah, we need that. Say hi to Joe, everybody.
How's it going?
All right, Joe. Oh, I'm ready. Let me get my tissue ready.
Saying 5,400 pounds.
It's going, it's going, it's going. Oh yeah, we're at 7,000 already. All right, could you stop it, dude? Stop making it go up.
The weight is on it.
Stop making it go up, dude.
You don't have the hood on either.
Oh Jesus! I got the laptop in there. That should count.
Yeah?
All right, let me go get the hood. We want a real measurement. No, we're not cheating.
Yeah, that's better.
You happy now?
Yes, I'm much happier.
Oh God, it hurts. So 32.59, then I'll go sit in there. What do we got?
That's always important for us, no matter what it is. And we did it with the Bev too, and obviously.
All right.
Read the comments. Everyone's a
Wanna
little
get in?
indifferent.
Here you go.
I mean, that's
I'll get in there.
We make sure that it's a muscle car first. We put all that in there.
Good thing I race
with
weight.
the T6 with the new T6. It's a all-wheel drive standard. We have a rear-wheel drive button, and it's 100% of torque to the rear wheels, and that's super important for us. That's great. Two fans just as much as we are here creating this for our fans, and that's the biggest thing for us is that we have that flexibility. So you keep your line lock, you keep your launch control, but you have all that grip there for all-wheel drive. So these guys running down here, it's fantastic.
love it. I love it. And you know, we're in Michigan here, right? So we've got winter months and all the inclement weather. We don't want to talk about that yet because it's beautiful right now. It's really good. Okay, we talk about Charger, we talk about Challenger. We cannot forget about Durango. We had some pretty awesome Durangos yesterday too.
Oh yeah, I mean, the Durango is, Durango always, you know, gets forgotten, I think, in people's minds, but it's fantastic.
So,
it's such a unique vehicle in the market.
Yeah, whatever it said, 33 and some change. So what happens when you have a subwoofer, plus we got to put AC in it.
Yes, we do.
Yeah, we're going to have a big fat car.
And
So,
some insulation, some sound deadening.
yeah. So, it's a life of drag drive, I guess. So one of the other things, and I kept alluding to, was possibly cutting these out so I could have enough room to take tires on and off, because I couldn't get them on and off. We were under here looking at shock length and how do we do it, and you know, how could I possibly do it, and then ride height. And as you can see now, this thing will come right out, but you can see the droop is out of hand. Jason was looking at this and he goes, hey, on your mount, if you just move this to the top hole and take the bottom one out, you can use that as a pivot and that'll give you the droop. And sure enough, that's what we did. And then because of the angle and the way everything's set up, if you jack it back up, like if you're on the ground, right, or you start setting it down, so you put the tires down on the ground after you swap your tires, when these touch the ground, it'll come back up and these just swing right back in. It's pretty damn genius. So I will probably make some doublers for this just to give it some rigidity so we don't wallow those holes out doing this all the time. And then I might make a new mount depending on how hard the hole is to line up. And then the guys were even talking about maybe like a spring-loaded pin on the bottom. So I could just leave this on top and then we'll just do like a quick pin. So that way, once you set it down and you pin it, everything's normal. And then when you go to jack it up, you pull the pins, jack the dude up, and you know, Bob's your uncle. So, or make some sort of stop or something so when it's under its own weight, it perfectly lines up. But that is killer, and that solves that issue. So I'm glad she's a little fat, but if I can get the tires on and off, and then we're gonna go up like another inch or so, we'll have to set it down on the ground because I'll just leave these in this hole. They were down here, so I want to say it's another inch. And then I need springs for this, because I choked these up to get a little more height, and these are only like 200s. I guess I could choke them up a bit more, but we'll see. We'll see where that ends up, and then if I can raise this to match, I'm gonna be stoked on that. She is loaded up, ready to go home. We raised the rear end just a tad, and then I gotta get new springs, so we'll bring the whole car up just a little bit, but that solved the issue, and I don't have to cut this panel out, which I'm super stoked on. But I have like 5-6 hour drive because we're towing, so I'm getting out of here. But we've got the new fan holders. Those should be on the interwebs soon. I'll let you guys know when those are ready to rock and roll. We've got Bomb Squad stickers and merch coming up, hopefully sooner than later. And I figured out the last piece of the puzzle because I was really not looking forward to cutting out the quarter panels. So aside from waiting to get my good quote-unquote converter back, we should be rock and roll. Maybe we start testing here soon and kind of shaking things down and have a little more fun. But I already said bye to the War Boys. Until next time, you guys know what to do. Thank you for watching. I'm out.
Rolling through the streets, yeah, I'm the king of the block. Got that dragon drive style, make your whole city rock. Malibu gangster, when it touch of finesse. I'm burning rubber, raising hell, feel the heat, no stress. Turbo LS, under the hood, I'm moving quick. Nicky tires grip the road, make them stick like a trick. She sloppy too, we got a hit in 08. In the war performance parts all over the place. The Bomb Squad's